Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Specs, free disk, and that Windows plus GPU drivers are up to date. Once done, run Squad as administrator and verify game files through your launcher to repair corrupt files. Make sure overlays are off because they often conflict with DirectX or Vulkan. Also create a quick backup of your Squad configs. That protects custom binds and INI tweaks before deeper troubleshooting. These steps remove the most common causes and prepare you for targeted fixes. You now dig into diagnostics. Open Event Viewer and Squad crash logs to capture error codes and offending modules. Once you have that, revert to default configs by moving custom INI files aside and relaunch. This isolates config-induced crashes. Next, run memtest and a quick chkdsk to rule out RAM or disk corruption and perform a short GPU stress test to catch overheating or driver instability. Keep notes on each result so you can target fixes precisely rather than guessing. You finish by reinstalling Squad cleanly if earlier steps failed. Uninstall, remove leftover game folders, then install the latest build. Once reinstalled, apply only proven patches or community fixes and reintroduce INI tweaks one at a time so you can spot regression quickly. If crashes persist, capture a crash dump, gather logs, and submit a concise bug report to the developers including hardware and driver versions. Quick troubleshooting tip: use a fresh Windows user profile to rule out account-level corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.